Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Wild's Tool Channel. Today we've teamed the guys over Jobsons tools and we have this fantastic hole saw videos. Again, tungsten carbide tip hole saw set that I got off them. Now this is a big 40mm here, and these are used of course as well. This is not brand new, so I haven't sharpened anything, touched anything. So we're just going to see, this is going to be a real test now for this one, especially going through the bit of heavy 5mm plate like you have here. But we're just going to give it a shot. We're going to run it in speed 4 here on this fantastic DD4G Flex, the 18.0 beast of a combi drill. And we have soudal then, of course, keeping us cool. So we'll spray a bit of stuff on it, give it the best shot, and fingers crossed, eyes and ears, here we go. Let's slow her down a little bit. Absolutely dog's abuse on that one. Holy moly. Now, you're going through a bit of 6mm plate, way too much for these kind of hole saws. 2 or 3mm is all where you want to be, but I'm allowed to do some absolutely crazy stuff here, and you don't have to back home. So you can see it absolutely gave it dog's abuse, bit of cutting oil on it. I didn't break any of the tungsten bits. This is second-hand bit as well, and it still went through. Absolutely smashing piece of kit. Of course, if you're going to grab yourself a kit off Jobson Tools, don't give it a dog's abuse like I do. Treat it a little bit better, and it'll last a hell of a lot longer. Massive shout out to soudal and of course Flex. Stay tuned folks, loads more on the way. Drop over to Jobson Tools, you want to pick yourself up something fantastic in his next set of deals.